You can MP5 slap the bolt to retract the pen. Oh, yes. Hello, and welcome to another product video breakdown from Nitecore Store. Today we will be taking a look at the NTP31, Nitecore Tactical Pen 31. The NTP31 is an all-aluminum alloy pen with a bidirectional bolt action for its operating mechanism. The pocket clip is stainless steel. The frame is a solid single piece of machined aluminum alloy. This thing is as tough as nails and could probably take a joke, unlike that of the younger generations. Locking the bolt in the downward position will expose the nib, and locking the bolt up will expose the tungsten steel glass breaker. The bolt is spring-loaded on either side. And as you can see, it wants to return to the position in the center. That means that when you are finished writing, you can MP5 slap the bolt to retract the pen. Oh, yes. But enough about the thing that will only be cool the first 3 times, like the center of a pizza roll. Any tool is only as good as its primary function, vuvuzelas notwithstanding. When it comes to the writing function of the NTP31, it uses a Schneider-Gelion 39 ink cartridge. The ink flow is superb and requires very little pressure. The NTP31 is very comfortable no matter what your pen grip style is. For instance, the 1-2. The less common 1-3. Or the even less common 1-4. Then the in-between 2-3, the in-between 3-4, and of course the kindergartner. As I mentioned before, the NTP31 has incredibly smooth ink flow. I can qualitatively tell you that it requires noticeably less pressure than my go-to G2 pen. Take it from me, I take penmanship very seriously. That's right, I have a pen roll. And this isn't even my nice one, this is my work pen roll. I keep my nicer stuff at home. That being said, the NTP31 writes amazingly. It has been quite some time since I have felt so inspired. I think I'm going to write all of my favorite words. Discombobulate. Propinquity. Boobies. The NTP31 has a tungsten steel glass breaker. Unfortunately, my boss will not let me demonstrate on real glass because of health and safety. So, we compromise, and I get to demonstrate on this intern.
Wait, what?
Sign here. Print here. Oh, that's nice. Is that the new NTP31?
Yeah, do you want to give it a go?
Yeah, I like it. It's very comfortable. Now remember, Mr. Narrator, no more attacking coworkers.
Now where was I? Damn it. The HR guy just took my pen. Well, now ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed is probably the greatest praise any pen could ever receive. If you let someone borrow it, they will end up keeping it. That is how good the NTP31 is. That concludes the product video breakdown of the Nitecore NTP31. If you would like to learn more, or would like to purchase your own, please click the link in the description below to go to nitecorestore.com. If you have enjoyed this video or would like to stay up to date on all future Nitecore products, please consider subscribing below. Thank you.